Hi, I'm Sander from Patchstack Support, and today I will show you what the developer plan of Patchstack app looks like. So on the developer plan you can add up to 25 sites and you can apply protection to all of them. Developer plan costs $79 per month or $69 per month if purchased annually. Once you log into your Patchstack Developer app dashboard, you can see all the general data of all your sites. How many vulnerabilities are currently present, how many threads have been blocked lately, how many sites you have added, and so on. So when you head over to the sites page, you can see all the sites you have added on your account. Patchstack supports WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. And when you enter one of your sites, let's take a WordPress site. So here you can see all the general data about this WordPress site, how many vulnerabilities are present there right now, and how many threads have been blocked, and so on. When you head over to the software page, you can see all the software that has been installed. And you can also manage your software from here by checking the checkboxes and choosing whether you want to update, activate, deactivate, or delete this software. You can also enable auto updates for vulnerable software only, so not all the updates would be run, just to reduce the risk of your site breaking down. When you head over to the protection page of your site, you can toggle different protection modules. So we offer virtual patching, advanced hardening, community IP block lists, and generic OWASP. All these modules are available for WordPress sites. Drupal and Joomla only support virtual patching. On this page, you can also see all the threads that have been blocked and which IP the attack came from and which rule was triggered to block this traffic. Additional settings, you can enable, disable firewall, apply country blocking, or just block IP addresses. On the hardening page, you can see the general hardening settings, which are out of the box enabled. On the htaccess page, you can toggle different htaccess features, add security headers, and add even custom htaccess rules. The login protection page, you can block all the traffic to your WP admin URL, and you can have your own security token which lets you enable your IP to access WP admin. Patchstack supports different CAPTCHA features for built-in WordPress forms, so we support Google reCAPTCHA or Cloudflare Turnstile. On the activity page, you can see just all the recent activity that has been going on your site, if anyone has deleted any plugin or someone has activated a plugin or created a new user. And on the users page, you can see all the users of 4 main roles in WordPress. Now, heading over to the general software page of your Patchstack app account, you can see all the software that has been installed across all your sites. On the general protection page, you can toggle on and off protection modules across all your sites, but you can also create your own custom JSON formatted firewall rules if you would need them. We have created some of the default rules by ourselves already, so you can just modify them. On the reports page, you can generate 2 types of different security reports about all your sites. So you can pick a site and then you can pick which type of report you want to generate. So we offer snapshot reports and developer reports. Snapshot report is a situation report showing all the current software that is installed on your website and whether it's vulnerable or not. But the developer report is a periodic report where you choose a start date and the end date, and then you can see all the attacks that have been blocked in this time frame and all the actions that have been done on the website. You can also schedule the reports, so you can make them generate automatically monthly on the 1st or weekly on Mondays. On the alerts page, you can create different types of alerts. So if you want to get an email, for example, about if someone has deleted a post or has installed a new plugin, or if you have a vulnerable software installed on your page or some vulnerability has been detected, you can just simply create the triggers from here. Send them to your email or Slack or both. Patchstack does integrate with Slack as well. When you head over to the upgrades page, you can extend your plan. So for example, the developer plan comes with 25 site slots. If you want to increase the volume, add more sites, then we have the volume upgrade for that. With the volume upgrade, you can add +5 sites to your account for $12.50 per month. Also, we have the seats feature, which means that you can create a new Patchstack account and attach it to your current account. So anyone from your team can also access your sites and manage them. And you can choose which sites you want to delegate them. If you want to build your own tools using our Patchstack database API, you can feel free to do so. Also on the integrations page, you can activate Patchstack App API. With that, you can create your own custom tools and you can run pretty much any action you could currently run on the Patchstack app remotely. So you can build your own tools and integrate Patchstack. It is very well documented with all the endpoints, so it's very easy to get started. And that's pretty much it for the developer plan. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support and we can chat there.